The cost of a journey is calculated using a graph. In this video, we're going to answer the question, how many miles can a passenger travel for £11? The solution will appear on this slide. The cost of a journey is calculated using the graph below, and you can see the red line is the plot. We are asked how many miles can a passenger travel for £11. The y-axis marks off the cost in pounds. Step 1 is to locate the £11 on the y-axis, as you can see by the circle that just bounced into position. The next step is to take a line from the 11 to the plot, and you can see I've shown that in this dotted green line. Where the red line and the dotted green line intersect, another line is drawn down to the x-axis, which is marking off the distance in miles. We can see the green line touches the x-axis at the mark 10, which I'm highlighting with this circle. This 10 represents 10 miles because the x-axis is marked off in miles. So with £11, a passenger can travel 10 miles. So the answer to the question is distance equals 10 miles.